Warming temperatures will affect the water cycle of Texas. As a result of increased temperatures, we will begin to see a more intense global hydrological cycle. As temperatures rise, causing a warmer climate, the atmosphere is able to hold more moisture. Due to this, it is expected that droughts as well as precipitation events will become more extreme. Droughts can cause a reduction in photosynthesis and an increase in wildfires, susceptibility to disease, as well as pest infestation. More extreme precipitation events can cause the oxidation of wetland soils, contaminated runoff, and the destruction of infrastructure. The western U.S. states, particularly Texas, will be vulnerable to longer and frequent droughts in the near future. In fact, Texas experienced their most severe drought to ever be recorded in 2011. This drought was so severe that it caused a 6.2% increase in the region's tree mortality, 9 times greater than the region's annual average, about 0.7%. This single event was equivalent to about 36% of global carbon annual losses due to land change and deforestation. Precipitation events will become less frequent but more severe. This has severe repercussions, causing changes in snowpack and water availability. This will negatively affect the agriculture and surrounding communities. Additionally, it may increase rates of forest mortality. Texas will continue to see an increase in frequency of droughts in the foreseeable future.